Hello folks, this is David Schlossberg from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for July 2020. In this month's video, I'll be discussing some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in June, and I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Stocks notched a solid gain in the month of June, overcoming a rise in COVID-19 cases and fears of a slowdown in the economic reopenings. The Dow Industrials added 1.7%, while the S&P 500 picked up 1.8%, and the Nasdaq Composite led, gaining nearly 6% for the month. Stocks climbed higher on a steady diet of positive news, including a report of an effective COVID treatment for critically ill patients and talk of more financial stimulus. Markets reversed late in the month on a surge of new infections in Florida, Texas, and California. Some states rolled back reopening plans, which rattled traders. But stocks did close out the month posting back-to-back gains to cement a solid showing. Assessing the economy has become more difficult due to the uncertainties caused by the pandemic. For example, May's employment report showed the economy added 2.5 million new jobs. Wall Street economics were far off, predicting a drop instead of 8.3 million. Economists are expecting to look for more creative ways to measure activity, so they are increasingly turning to real-time data. For example, restaurant apps can help show whether people are returning to these social settings. Traditional economic indicators remain vital, but expect a growing focus on newer big data tools that give critical real-time snapshots. On internal news, a couple things. We're starting to take client appointments in our office once again with all the precautions in place. Masks, acrylic shields, things of that nature, as well as sanitizing between every appointment. Also, our client appreciation event, normally scheduled for August, has been delayed to September to allow more time for our comfort within a group setting. September 9th is currently slated for the event, but that date is still considered tentative. Well, that's it for this month's economic update. Once again, this is David Schlossberg with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of July 2020. Please remember that nothing I mention here is a recommendation, and if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077. I'd be happy to talk with you. Thank you.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.